Welcome back to Mr. Moore PE. Today we're going to talk about blood vessels, something we all have, something we all need. Now, this is an interesting one because it links nicely into this link of videos to do with the cardiovascular system. There are three types of blood vessels you need to know, and they do wonderful things, but they do different things, and we need to understand what that is. First of all, what is a blood vessel? You might be thinking to yourself, what's the purpose of it? Well, the purpose of it is to transport blood around the body. That's what it does. So there's three different types. Okay, first we've got arteries. So we have our arteries. Now, the role of an artery is A for away, A for artery. It takes oxygenated blood away from the heart. Okay? So oxygenated blood is a lovely term to use in your exam. Oxygenated blood. And it's red, rich oxygen content. So it's oxygenated blood, and that goes to the tissues in sport, the working muscles. We need it when we start doing exercise. Our muscles demand that oxygenated blood, and that's where it goes. That's why we need it. So that's the role of the artery. It takes blood away from the heart. A for artery, A for away. Then we have the other big vessels, which are veins, and you've probably guessed it. Veins bring blood back to the heart, and in particular they bring deoxygenated. They bring deoxygenated blood back to heart. And if you want to get some extra marks in your exam, we call that the venous return mechanism. So it's quite a technical name for that, but that's how we bring blood back to the heart. So we've got A for arteries, A for away, veins bringing blood back to the heart, but importantly it's deoxygenated blood because it's been around the system, it's dropped off all the good stuff, nutrients, the oxyhemoglobin to the working muscles, and now it's coming back and it's kind of getting ready to replenish itself through the heart, and the heart is obviously a pump that does exactly that. It pumps and replenishes and fills our body full of blood that we need. Okay? The third type of vessel that students struggle with sometimes to understand the importance of and the definition of is capillaries. Now I'll run out of space here, so I'll use the pop arts to put the capillaries definition, but they do two clear things, the capillaries. First of all, they link up the arteries and the veins, so they connect them through kind of a surface network of the skin. They're much smaller sort of micro vessels that connect the two types together. The other thing they do is they remove waste products. So as we know, during exercise and just generally our body creates waste products. It creates carbon dioxide, lactic acid, and the capillaries are useful in removing these waste products from the system. So we're going to explore next, we're going to do some drawings and get some pictures up looking at vasoconstriction, vasodilation and the lumen and how these blood vessels are constructed, so you can see for yourself a nice visual.